thing I'm going to do is equip my husband.
What is that?
My husband is going to join first. That's the first thing I'm going to do.
We said at least minimum 30 we will decide. It's not that we are not here just to put candidates because the 40 seats are available. It is not that. There are a lot of things politically going on in Goa. We will study that. We will make sure that whatever comes, our main agenda is a local self Goa government should be formed. We should stop all this Delhi business. That is our main agenda. So we are not talking of who will align and all, but definitely not BJP. Please take it from us, definitely not BJP.
आम सारखे बरे मनीस गोंयचे खातीर झुजपाचे गोंयकारा पासून झुजपाचे आनी त्या पासत ह्या पक्षाच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी डिसिजन घेतले म्हाका तेंगे भितर घेवपाक ह्या काळार तर म्हज्यान भितर येवपा जायना आमी आमदार आहा आतां कांय वेळान आमी रिजायन जातले आनी जॉयन जातले पूण आयज म्हाजी बायल Viola Pacheco, she's taking up presidency of the party. आयज अपक्ष आतां फुडें खंय पावतलो म्हणून आनी गोंयकाराक एक बरी सुविधा दितलो गोंयकारपण सांबाळपाक तेंचे थोडे आहा म्हजे थोडे आहा एकठांय केले तो सांगता 30 तेमी 30 घालतले म्हणून म्हाजे आहा you'll sit and discuss and all the candidates and complete the whole 40. Then I form a new party, Cooperative Party. Years we are now. Still not joined, but we will join. I will remain in the Mumbai constituency.
Let us see.
Next,
Let us
by
see.
next week you'll see.
जेन्ना आतां गोवा स्वराज पक्षान भितर सरपाक आपली कशी दाखयल्या तो हें गोवा स्वराज पक्षाचो ह्या वड्याचो जातलो थांडेली आनी ताची गोरकान जातेली सुकावणें धरपी तीं दोगांय गोवा स्वराज पक्षांतल्यान गोंयांक गोंयकारांक तरणाट्यांक आमची मायभाशेक वयर उबारून दवरतली.